So determining ASCII values or Unicode value of a character. How to find the ASCII value of a particular character and the reverse of that one. If we are passing a particular value, how to retrieve the ASCII character. So we have two functions, that is character function and ordinal function, ORD function. ORD function, the full form is ordinal, ORDINAL. So ordinal function, it is a built-in function. It takes a single character as the parameter and returns the corresponding ASCII value. If you want to find the ASCII value of a particular character on the keyboard, you can simply put that symbol in this function and you can check that one. So the syntax is ORD, within the bracket you can put the particular symbol. Then it will return the ASCII value. So ordinal value can be returned. So the numerical value will be returned with this function. So what we need to pass? We need to pass the parameter as the symbol or the way what you want to check. Then comes the reverse of this one, CHR. Sometimes we are calling it as character function or something, but it is not CHAR, it is CHR only. So this function, this is also a built-in function in Python. It returns the character corresponding to some ASCII value. For example, we can simply type some value there within this one. Then any particular symbol is assigned to that value, then it will be produced or it will be returned. So we know ASCII value of A is 65. So we can check like that. CHR of 65 means it produces A. If you want, we can do that. ORD, that is ordinal function. Within this one, you need to, ordinal function means it returns the ASCII value. So value returns means you need to put some character here. So I am typing small letter F. I want to know what is the ASCII values small letter F. The answer is 102. Because small letter A, the value is 97. It starts from there. Then the return of this one, the reverse of this one, that is CHR. CHR of 102. Then it returns the particular character. We will get the character. So this is the character function. So ordinal function, it returns ASCII value. Character function, it returns the particular character, but within this function, you have to pass some numerical value, some ASCII value. No need to by heart everything, but we need to know that capital letter start from 65 to next 26 letters and small letter A start from 97. So common characters and their ordinal values, like that 0 to 9 we have 48 to 57. So some string special operators, here we are taking in this example, A is equal to COMP, the word, and B is equal to SC. Then I am trying to do some operations here. Operator is here, description is here, and then one example. So first I am going to do this operator. The name of this one is concatenation operator or joining operator. So I am going to join the strings. So A plus B means COMP, the first string combined with the second string, and we will get this output. We have to put it in quotes while we are representing. Then next one, replication operator. Then that is A value I am taking. Replication, one operand should be a number. Then only it will, this much times it will display. So A value is COMB, the string. Repeat twice means it comes twice. And it can be appeared as a single string. Then comes square bracket. We are using it for accessing a particular character. A of 1 if I am giving. A is the string COMB. A of 1 means the first index value for C is having the index value 0. Then 1 means for O. So we will get the output as O here. Then comes slicing that we will discuss now. Then membership operator, in operator. Now I am checking whether the letter P in A. A is the string. We are checking whether letter P is there in A. A, the value is COMP. Yes, P is present there. So the output returns true or 1. Not in. M not, capital letter M not in A. Here small letter M only. So capital letter M is not there in A, the string A. So it returns true also. Then in the case of strings, we are using triple quotes to represent also. But if the particular string is spreading across different lines, then only we are using triple quotes. Then the next topic, that is string slices. The term string slice refers to a part of a string where strings are sliced using a range of index. It means we have a particular string. String slice means we are going to take a part of that string, a slice of that string. For that purpose, we are using the index values. We want some range of values because from this portion to this portion we want. So we want some range of values. So the syntax of slicing means string name within square bracket, string name within square bracket, we have to mention two values. The first value is the lower limit, then colon should be there, then the upper limit or upper bound. So these are the M and N are the legal indices of string name. It will return a slice starting from lower bound M up to upper bound minus 1 to upper bound minus 1. That is, here in this case, starting from M to N minus 1. So always slicing comes like that. For example, for a particular string S within square bracket, I am writing like a 1 colon 5 means it start from index value 1, but it ends at 1 colon 5 is my code means 1 start from 1 and ends at 4. Upper bound minus 1. So here we have some example. String is equal to hello world. We already told that we while counting the number or length of the string, we have to consider the space also. So here the index value start from 0. So stro 0 means h. Then what slice we want? We want a particular piece or slice starting from index value 6 only. So first we need to check where is 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is space, 6 means W. The index value of W is 6. So we can start from W. Then we need to check the upper limit. Now here the upper limit is 10. So here it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means what? We need to wind it up with the 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can start from 6 and we needs to wind up at 10 minus 1 or upper bound minus 1. So we will get the answer like this one. WORL 6, 7, 8, 9 only. We can't include the upper bound value 10 because we need to wind up at upper bound minus 1. I will show you in the IDLA. Okay. str is equal to hello world. So the syntax of slicing is string name, square bracket. Within the square bracket, we need to mention the lower limit. It means from where we need to start the slicing and up to what position we want. Okay, so here I am starting from 3 colon 7. It means according to the rule, the slices start from index value 3 and ends at 7 minus 1 6. So the character having the index value 7, we can't display that one. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So this second L is having the value 3. From here we need to start 3, 4, 5, 5 is space, 6 is W, 7 means O. So we can't take this O. So it will comes at W. It will end at W. So L O space W, that will be our answer. It comes like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every time while providing the index values for slicing, we need to start with the lower limit or lower bound and ends at upper bound minus 1. Don't take that upper bound value. For any index n, yes, here the lower limit is not present. We are not providing any lower limit here. Then colon. So the first portion of this one means lower limit. After the colon, there is a space for upper limit. So here the upper limit is there. But in this first one, lower limit is not there. Then we are going to concatenate that with the next slice, that is string name. Here we are providing lower limit but not upper limit. If we are doing like this in the case of a particular index where n is a particular index, it gives original string. For example, if I am taking the same example here, I am going to do stro square within square bracket. First I am not providing any lower limit. So no lower limit not there. Then colon. Then upper limit I am giving. 4 I am giving. The same index value you need to give for the next one. Then I am going to concatenate or join with the str. Then square bracket, that is one rule. Here I am going to provide the lower limit, but I am not giving the upper limit. I am closing the bracket. So if I am doing like this one, same index value you need to provide, then we will get the actual string. Any index value you can try, you will get the same string. That is one property of slicing. Then again, if you want to reverse this string, we have one syntax like this one. String name within square bracket. No need to mention the lower limit. So no need to mention upper limit also. Then minus 1. It means that sometimes we can give not only this colon means here the lower limit. Actually this space is for lower limit and this space is for upper limit. And this space after this colon, this space we can call it as a step value. Step value means, for example, so two syntax are there. Either you can write like a slicing like a lower limit colon upper limit, or we can do like this lower limit colon upper limit colon step value. So step value means if you want to take alternative values, then we can do like that. That I will show you. So now I am going to provide lower limit. I am not giving upper limit. I am not giving here any value, but step value I am going to provide minus 1. So what is happening? No lower limit, no upper limit means actually the same string. We are not giving anything. If one limit is, the lower limit is absent means automatically the interpreter takes the index value, starting value as 0. So it starts from here, h. And upper limit is absent means it will take the last limit as the length of the string. It means the last up to the last character it will be displayed if we are not providing the upper limit. So if this part is avoiding means we will get the same string. After that we are providing a step value minus 1. Minus 1 means we are decreasing or we are reversing the string. Then we will get the answer like this. So this is one method to get a reverse of a string. Write a Python program to reverse a string. We can do it in one line. Some string you can give, then that string name, then you need to use this syntax. String colon colon minus 1. Colon colon means here lower limit is not there, upper limit is not there. Only step value we are providing. Here the step value is minus 1. Minus 1 means it decreases from this area to the starting one. Then comes the next one. So now I am going to do some slicing using step value. For example, I need to start from index value 2, then colon. I need to end at 8. Again, so first one means first space means for lower limit, second one for upper limit, and the next one for step value. Step value I am giving like 2. What is the meaning of this one? It means we want a slice or a part of a string. It needs to start from the index value 2, but it ends at 8 minus 1. That is the index value 7. But alternative values only we want. Second character only we need to display. So our string name is hello world. So 0, 1, 2 means 2 is the first L. From here we need to start. So from here to this O. So this is the from 2 to 7 means this is the value. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I need to, after getting this one, I need to apply this step difference or step value to this one. It means we can take the alternative characters only. So you need to start from the first L, then you can skip the next one, then the second character only. So L, O, then comes space, you can skip space, then W. Okay, that much only. Or we can't take. Our answer comes like this. Here why it combines means we are skipping the character space. That is why it is combined. So lower limit, colon, upper limit, colon, step value or step difference. That is slicing. So here I am representing a particular string. Forward indexing 0 to length minus 1. The total length of the string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So length of the string amazing. The string value is amazing, which is equal to 7. So we need to stop at 7 minus 1, 6. Don't take 7. But in the reverse direction or backward direction, we need to start with the minus 1. So minus 1 to minus 7. So STRO 0 colon 7. Starting from 0, positive indexing or forward direction, 0, we need to stop at 7 minus 1, 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means we will get a full string. Then comes 2 colon 6. We need to start with from this 2, that is A. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Because 6 minus 1 we need to stop. We will produce A, Z, I, N. That is a string. Minus 5 colon minus 1. So we can take minus 5, the value is A. So minus 1 means we need to end at minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. So from here you need to start. So the value comes like A, Z, I, N only. Then minus 7 colon minus 3. So minus 7, the value is this one. From minus 7 you have to stop at minus 4. A, M, A, Z. So some important points related with the slicing. Index, if the index is out of bound, it causes error with the strings, but slicing a string outside the bounds does not cause any error. For example, if in this case the string is hello, if I am trying to access a particular character, accessing a character means the syntax is string name within square bracket, you need to give index value. But here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the last index value is 4. If I am providing 5 means no such characters. So it will produce error in the case of retrieving or accessing or indexing. But in the case of slicing, if we are providing some out of bound limit, it will not produce any error. Here, print SO4 colon 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We know the last index value is 4. So, we need to start from 4. Then 8 means 8 is out of limit. But it will not produce any error. Only from starting from here, it means we are taking the whole list. So, we will get O. Then comes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually here both the limits are out of bound. It produces empty string only, but it will not produce any error. 5 colon 10 means actually the last index value is 4. So we can't take any character using this one. It means both the limits, lower limit and upper limits are out of bound. But it will not produce any error. So these points you can use for output predictions and all. Okay, it produces empty string only. But in the case of the concept indexing, if you are providing some value out of bound means it will produce error. But in the case of slicing concept, it will not produce any error. So slicing, this is the format, lower limit, upper limit. Then if we skip the lower limit, then Python will automatically take 0, the first index value, as the lower limit. If we skip the last value in slicing, if we are not providing the last value, means Python will consider the last index value as length of the string. If we are giving both indices same value we are giving. For example, S of 4:4, then we will get a null string.